so we're going to be going down this street right here. That's the name of our street right there. I got I know this Travessa de Santa Gertrudes. This is where I usually get my haircut at. We're going to be heading, this is in Taipa village, so we're going to head down here in a second. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So here's our street right here. So we're gonna go on down. We're gonna say hi to Papi as well a little bit. Straight down that way. Let's see. You don't mind being on the camera? All right.
Hey, Aurora!
So yeah, I just had a conversation with him. I don't know if you saw him in another video in Koloan recently. That's Papi and his family. Pretty cool. Yeah, it's funny. I just filmed down here a little bit ago, and I realized it was on a fast speed. So we're just going to kind of film through it a little bit again to try to capture some of the beauty of this. It's too bad because the other one I thought I was narrating pretty well. I had a nice... But anyways, we kind of copied again. So let's go at nights. Maybe you saw me make the gesture before with that. And then yeah, you got this beautiful coloring, right? Also have the same street name, the same one that was that one. Let's just kind of capture this a little bit. That's another rooftop. Another rooftop. So these are both places you can eat at. Something happened here. Don't know what happened. Anyways, we're gonna keep on going down. Cool. All right. Got all this beautiful artwork everywhere. Yeah, the last shot I got down there quite a ways before I realized that I didn't have the I had it on time warp, which is kind of a different speed altogether. But this is the one I kind of want more. I think I know this guy too. Not too bad. Okay, we're gonna continue on this one. Yeah, Taipa's quite. This is pointless. I think I tried to point it out in this other one, so it might be real fast on that one. Yeah, Macau's quite small, so you'll see a lot of people. If somebody lives here, especially the expat community, it's quite small. You run into the same people quite a bit, actually. That apartment looks cool. That pink one up there. Barcelona. A bit hard to see the lighting. And then another corner. Let's just kind of go like this and do a little bit of a 360 here. That's kind of cool too. This little I don't know what that is over there, but I think it's but I think we can see in that wall right there. I think they're also building something in that area, so let's just see what it is. Ah, just overgrown weeds. Could be turned into something though. So we're still in our same street. Clérigos. Just gonna take a look. So we're gonna also check out these other little alleys. All these little stuff. Okay, let's keep on going down. We're going to be coming out at Rua do Cunho. The Rua do Cunho. It's this street. Not so many people. Usually there's a lot of tourists in this area, but we don't see so many today for whatever reasons. But yeah, this would be like packed with tourists. But we had a COVID scare like 10 days ago, 4 cases from China, mainland China. And so since then it's been a little bit different. So anyways, this kind of comes out to this whole other area here. But our street was that street right there, so we're just gonna end it right there.